Hello, my name is Amudan. I am a documentary filmmaker based in Tamil Nadu. I, I organize film festivals and film workshops across the country. This 9th Chennai International Documentary Festival has been organized in Chennai in association with DOT School of Design, Periyar Self-Respect Media and Layla College. We started the festival today at this campus here, and it is a one day event here, and it will be traveling to other venues the coming days. The idea behind this festival is to bring quality documentaries and short films to Chennai, because Chennai has a strong film culture, but Chennai has a strong popular film culture. Popular film culture is kind of a restricted kind of filmmaking style, and to strengthen our film viewing and filmmaking culture, we are trying to introduce documentaries and short films from across the world so that we can understand cinema better. Through understanding cinema better, we can also understand life better. That is the idea behind this festival. And we generally do a 5-day film festival, and we try to show 50 to 80 venues depending upon the number of venues we get. This time, because of Corona, we are getting only 3 venues. Usually we get 5 to 6 venues, and we will show in total 80 films. And the main audience are students, of course, and then teachers and critics, filmmakers, general film audience, and researchers, and all the other people generally come and watch the films. And we go around to many places only because to reach out to many people. Usually film festival happens in a particular venue, and where people are expected to come there to watch the films. But we do the other way around. We go to places where people are there, like we go to colleges, we go to various small venues in Chennai, so that we cover at least 1,000 people in any festival, which is actually a big number. And our festival is a self-funded festival. We are not funded by a corporate company or government of Tamil Nadu, and we don't charge from the audience. It's completely free of cost for the audience. We survive we organize this festival by collecting contributions from well-wishers across the country. So because they know us, that we have been doing it for some time, and they trust us and they support us. That's one thing. I am very happy. So I'm very happy that the festival is happening at DOT School of Design. And see, the interesting thing about this design school is that we have a very strong design culture in Tamil Nadu. In textile design and architecture, in industrial design, in cinema, we have a very varied design culture in Tamil Nadu. But we don't have a professional college in Tamil Nadu for design students and teachers and researchers. So it's very important to have a very nice design school in Chennai, so that all of us can come together and work. Like I've come here as a filmmaker. Many people will come here to show their work, to collaborate with the institution. So it's very important to have an institution like this. I'm very happy to be here, and I congratulate to the institution, and I congratulate the students, the staff, and other people. To start an institution for design in Chennai is a big thing. So that is a first step. You've already done a great job by starting a design school. That is a wonderful job. Number one. Number two, the whole ambience is fantastic. Anybody who comes here is actually really touched. I brought a few friends today, and all of them really liked the whole ambience of the institution. The whole building, the design, the color, the atmosphere, everything is really fantastic. That's one thing. Number three, the staff, the people. We could see people very eager, very enthusiastic staff who are coming and talking to us. We could see people are working very enthusiastically. That is one important aspect. I really appreciate that. Then, and I'm also very happy to see students. There are many institutions in India. There are many institutions in Tamil Nadu especially, universities where who have where there are very few students, you know, and to see students coming and joining a design school in Chennai, that too run by all young people. Not, I don't see any old people. There are very few elderly people here. All are around 40 or 40 less than 40, and I could see a nice collection of students here. It's also very interesting. It shows people can see the future with the institution. It shows people can understand the seriousness of this institution. So people could trust the institution and come and join. It's not a free course. They must be paying, and so basically it's self-financed course. So people are paying and coming to study on their own, and to see students coming in, joining the institution is a very important aspect. I really appreciate and I congratulate the institution, and I really look forward to work with the institution in the near coming future. Especially I can talk about communication design, or people study communication from different aspects. There are many courses on communication. There is a visual communication, there is a development communication, there is mass communication, there is journalism and communication. So there are many ways to study communication. This communication course is a very interesting course. It is coming from a design point of view. So the word design itself shows that it actually takes a serious look at the way things are arranged, things are made, the way things are made, the way things are delivered, the way things are packaged. So the whole aspect of the the physical product of any the thing, and the plus the software and hardware part of the thing, it is given equal importance. Usually when you study communication, we always talk about the matter, the what you actually deliver is more important than the way you deliver. Here is other way around. The design is actually a kind of a method in which you look at the whole form and the content in equal terms, where you look at a form as a serious equal partner to the form, to the content, where in this particular design, I am talking about when you study communication design, I am expecting that you will study the history of design in the world, and the way design has evolved over the period of the time across the country, across the world, and the way design can be contemporary, and the way design can be very functional, and the way design can be very responsible. These are very important aspects when you study design. So I see a great future for the students who have joined here, because the whole thing of studying design, studying communication from a design point of view, actually gives you an edge over other students, other professionals, because you actually enter the communication field from a design, from a stylized point of view. Your style becomes more important, or at least equally important. The way you present is more important, or equally important. So the way you look at the color aspect, the texture aspect, the way you present, all those things become very important. So I really appreciate the students who have joined the institution, and I congratulate you for joining this institution, for especially choosing communication design as a future for you. I appreciate and congratulate you.